Hi people, my name is Chukwuemeka Dan Chuku. Actually, I am one of the Swiss Skills Academy Cohort 2 trainees. Um, just rounded up our bootcamp, and I did a little project. Basically, I had to build an application, and this application I called it Acid Hot. Acid Hot is a slang from one of the favorite Nigerian languages, Pidgin English, which really means trending, top happening, like happening at the moment. That's the meaning of Acid Hot. So basically, news is changing rapidly, and you really need to change how you read, and also access news. So what this application does is fetches data, especially top stories from the New York Times online newspaper. And New York Times newspaper, it's an American online newspaper based in New York. This application seeks to tackle the problem of going through the website searching for top stories on the website. It has it readily at your disposal. This application also displays an article, title article, article abstract, the bylines, which is the publisher's name, the data, the date published, and also has a link to this article on the New York newspaper. Okay, basically now I'm trying to do a demo of this application. What I did was I applied for an API key from the New York Times developer site and used this key to do a GET request using the Python language, and I received the data in a JSON format as an array. So I had to do some iteration to get the values needed, which are the title, the published date, the byline, and also the link to this article. Also, I had to limit the top stories to 5, which you can see on the screen. It's just five stories, which I can also increase them from the back end to the number of stories I want, but I limited it to 5. So as you can see, this is the title of the article. This is an abstract of the article. Here is the byline, which is the publisher's name. Here you can see this is the date and time when the article was published. And also here, this is a readme button which has the link to the article. So once you click this link now, it takes you to a new page where this article is displayed. So from there you can read this article easily without going to the New York Times website to search for this article. Most of the times you might even go to the site and you might not even see it due to a whole lot of stories are there. So coming to this application gives you an edge to just have these top stories handy without stress. So technologies are used in developing this application: Python language, HTML, CSS, also the Travis CI, some unit tests, Flask. Also I used Flask, and the database I used for this application is MongoDB. Yes. So I'll thank you so much for making our time to watch this video, and I hope you do enjoy yourself. Thank you.